Okay, guys, so I'll show you what I did lately with my trading. So let's just get to sharing the screen. It's gonna be pretty straightforward. So yeah, this is pretty much my situation by now. I managed to actually make some profits over here with an account balance of 200 and $2,211 and an equity line of $2,093. The meaning for that is that I've got positions open over here and also on the other side. So I'll show you the positions already being held. And by doing so, it's going to be pretty much easy for you to understand what is going on. So yeah, I took some profits on gold over here. I just went long here pretty much, then got out here. And I still have the Bitcoin going on. I went long at 69 points. It just started tumbling down. So I'm waiting for it to actually take some profits here at $17. And I'll re-long the Bitcoin when it gets to this point. So I'll take the profit and it will be making me a break-even situation. And I'll take the profits here and then just go up again and see if for a 50% chance I can manage to get out. Otherwise, if it stays in this range, it's just be closed as a trade. I won't be able to trade it anymore. So pretty easy. And let's get into US30. What I did US30 is pretty simple. US30 broke out. Wow, I can add a text on this now. It's pretty strange. Cool. So US30 actually broke this trend line. I'm looking for upsides on US30. Also, this time support is holding, so I see actually going long again. And I'm not trading it at all. I'm still inside crude oil, which is finally seems actually almost to have reached a $82 point, which is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a $82 situation. When it gets there, I will take the profit and then reshort it, looking for a half shot, which is going to be 50% chance of crude oil going back down here, and otherwise just going back to stop loss. Of course, this will be granting me a 50% chance. So as I always say, and as I said in the other videos before, the 50% chance will be a percentage of losses that actually represents just a streak of losing trades. But the main issue is that you're gonna have to wait for some time. So you will have your stop loss inset, you will have your take profits inset, but it takes time. Like even if I trade in a 5-minute time frame, it could take like a lot of time for a trade to actually work it out, because it could stay in this range like for one whole year. Like literally it could be bouncing between 74 and 81 for a whole year, and it could keep on doing this, and it would just be destroying for me, because basically I will not be able to trade crude oil at all, and I'll just have to wait for it to move along and go somewhere. So if it doesn't go anywhere, I'm not going to be able to do anything. So this is pretty much it. So as long as I wait for crude oil to hit the spot, when it hits the spot, which will be this one over here, I will probably have a TP. So I take profit when I go short, which is going to be, sorry, just to show you. Oh, this is pretty, oh yeah, it's going to be $51. Yeah, you can see it over here. So I will have a $51 and $60 around stop loss. And when it happens, it happens. So it will be fine anyway, because I took so many profits on the other side. So on the other side, so I think we can actually manage the losses. I think we can manage the losses. I think I can manage these losses. I think I will be, sorry, I will try to erase the light. I think I can manage the losses. I think it could be fine. I will not have many problems or issues with that. So I can wait for it. I can wait for crude oil to actually even give me a loss of $60. I mean, if I lose $60 and yeah, it's just, I mean, if it goes on the other side and loses, I will lose $60 plus another $60. It's 120. for sure, and $85. So I wouldn't be banking a big loss. Like, for example, the equity by now is $2,093. And if it loses again over there, I would be banking another loss of probably something around the lines of, yeah, $160. 60, 120, so $200. So I would go back to break-even point. This is pretty much it. So what I'm expecting with basically the 10K that's gonna happen on the 26th of June, I will start trading with the 10K account. So since I will start trading with a 10K account, it will be okay to take these losses because I'm looking forward making around $100 to $200 every day, every month, which is on average going to be something along the lines of probably like 2% to 3%. At the end of the year, like on next summer, it will translate itself to 20% profit. So I'm not looking for massive profits, but I'm looking for a profit actually allows me to, yeah, just say that I made a good percentage of it. Now, sometimes it could actually go back down. Like, for example, I could close this trade right here, and I would just attack the $85 loss, and it would be fine anyway. But I want to give myself many chances of losing that, I want to give myself many more chances of having that 50%. Having that 50% repeating itself not only teaches me patience with trading, but also allows me to, on a simple level, to, yeah, just be able to stay out of the market, just trade it on an easily. And yeah, that's pretty much it. How much am I going to be trading on the 10K? Probably with 2K, I started trading with an average of, average of $100 margin required. I will not be trading Bitcoin 2x, but I will 2x, but I will still be trading it 1x. So it will be on the same margin level. For crude oil and other assets, I will probably start trading 2x or 3x with a $300 margin required for each trade. So this allows me to basically make more money. Like, for example, this will be 3x, so it will be 3x will be it will be around 240 euros loss. And also everything you see as a profit, it will be 3x, so it's $30, that's $24. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This is pretty much how I'm going to be trading with a 3%, like a 3 times more with a 10K account. So this is pretty much the idea I'm having. I will not be taking any trades with a higher margin required unless I get out of Bitcoin and crude oil. And as soon as I get out of Bitcoin and crude oil, yes, I'll be happy with trading obviously at 3x. And US30, when I get into US30 with a 0.1, it requires me a easy a lot of something around the lines of it requires me around $100 margin, so I will take it out, and yeah, I will just start trading with $300 margin requiring US30 also. And the same thing is going to be for gold. Gold is the same thing. Gold asks me for a 0.01 $100 margin, and I will do the same. I will just start setting it up as a $300 margin. I will start trading gold with 0.03. So this is my plan. I think the challenge is almost over. I can call myself a profitable trader by now. On average, I'm pretty nervous about it because I've never managed to be a profitable trader for 90 days. So it's been very, very hard for me. It's been very challenging to stay focused with my mind, but thank God, like the business side of it helped me out. Like I've been trading in and out like lately. Yes, I was checking the markets like once, twice, or 3 times a day, but not that much. I'm pretty calm about it. I'm not stressed. I know I can actually weed out myself from bad trades, but this is the way I make profits, and it's pretty much the way I'm going to be using with a 20K account or a 10K account. 20K account, it would have meant probably 3 times the profit. Sorry, 5 times the profits I made now. So on equity will be like probably $500, and on $200 on that balance, it will be on an expected of almost 1K plus in 1 month. So I'm pretty calm about it. I'm not stressed about it. So I'm confident I will start trading with 10K, and I'm pretty confident I will start making interesting profits in the year, and I can finally call myself a profitable trader. This is pretty much my lifestyle. I'm also a business owner, but I'm a solopreneur by now. I'm trying to understand if I can actually be able to hire people that work for me. And it's pretty hard for me to actually have people working beneath me. So the trading situation, the trading idea, is like being an athlete overall than the business side of it. So it makes me feel much better. And this is pretty much the story of it. So my plan is to go for 10K. Today is 18th of June 2024. I don't know, maybe this is day 78, 79, 80 of the challenge. I don't know, but it's almost over. I will start trading in 8 days with 10K. So that's 26th of June. And yeah, just let's wait for it. And I'm super happy, super glad I can finally realize my dream. I remember I was 14 years old. I was 18 years old, 21 years old, 23 years old, and I always wanted to be a trader. And it's almost makes me cry a little bit. Sorry. Yeah, I've got like tears in my eyes. I don't know. It's kind of, it's been challenging, really. Like finding my trading style, it's been really challenging. I was scammed. I spent a lot of money. I invested money. I always lost money. So that's just like the first time for 90 days I made profit. It's like it's very like literally makes me cry so bad. So got highs over here. So this is my first year. I can tell I'm going to be trading really with 10K. So it's pretty much it. I cannot even believe it. Like saying it makes me feel so I don't know, it makes me cry. It's pretty sick. I wasn't expecting to cry in a video, YouTube video. Yeah, so as a business owner, this is pretty much my story. I'll start training with 10K. I'll start updating you guys on a daily basis. I actually forgot to post videos lately because, yeah, I'm pretty much head, as you can see, but I've never been profitable my whole life. So it's been, I'm 31 years old. So it's been like more than 10 years before starting to make a little profit in 90 days. And this is so sick. So yeah, I'm crying for this stupid thing, but it means a lot for me. So yeah, I'll catch with you guys tomorrow. I'll update more videos. Hope to get out of the edge with crude oil. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you tomorrow.